Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at this, the monkey tail from Insta360. One of Insta360's latest accessories for their camera lineup, and I mean, it's relatively simple, but it's such a great idea and they've executed it really well. Basically what it is, I mean, like the name suggests, it wraps around certain objects, your arms or lampposts or tree branches, wherever you want to stick your camera, you can sort of wrap this around. It works really well. The quality of this thing is exceptional. It's actually longer than I expected it to be as well. It's 20 inches from end to end, so you can sort of wrap it around most things. It's long enough to go around your arm or your hand, for instance. I took it out for a walk yesterday and I was putting it around tree branches, I put it around gates and posts and things, so yeah, it works really well. On the top you've got a 1/4 inch thread, so you can attach it to anything that's got a 1/4 inch mount. For instance, the Insta360 Go 2, which has got a built-in mount on the top. So I was using it with this camera yesterday, screws on nice and easily, and then you can sort of use it as a vlogging pole as well, so that worked pretty well. On the bottom as well you've got a screw thread, so you can add a tripod or add it to something else. You can even attach two of these together, I guess, to make it even longer, but I'm going to put this tripod on the bottom so you can have this standing up like so. You don't have to use it with just the Insta360 Go 2. You can of course use it with the Insta360 One X2 as well. You could stick that on there and then wrap it around your wind mirrors or something like that to get different 360 shots. So it's really good. Once it's twisted, whatever you're twisting it around, it sticks to it. It really is very strong, and it's made just really well. I really like the feel of it. It's got like a silica gel feel to it. It's just fun to use. So like I said, you could use this as kind of your multi-purpose vlogging camera tool as well. There isn't much else to say about it. It just sort of does what it says on the tin. The name's brilliant, Monkey Tail. It does what you expect it to do, and it does it well. That is the Monkey Tail from Insta360. If you do want to buy one of these, there will be a link in the description down below. That will be an affiliate link, and it helps this channel grow if you do purchase through that link. Check out all my other videos on Insta360. I'll link them up in a playlist up here and in the description down below. Lots of tips and tricks on how to use all these brilliant cameras from Insta360. And if you do decide to buy one of these cameras, use my link because you will get a free accessory with every purchase. So yeah, purchase through the link down below. But that's it for this video. The Monkey Tail. Definitely something you can keep in your bag and use anywhere you go. You'd be surprised where you could put this thing. It's fantastic. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one though, guys. Take it easy. See you soon. Bye.